Can you sing Twinkle Twinkle Little Star? C, D. Can you sing your ABCs, Betty? A, B, C, D. What? Can you sing Twinkle Twinkle Little Star? Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. One more time. Do it, Betty. Say Twinkle Twinkle. Sing Twinkle Twinkle. What is it, Alex? Come here, baby. Good job, Betty. Good job. Oh.